Want stock-like exposure for less cash and with more time on your side? That's the power of LEAPS. LEAP calls are just long-dated call options, at least 12 months in expiration. And they're one of my very favorite ways to bridge that investing and options trading gap because you can potentially benefit from some of the positives of options with less of the negatives. Let's break it down right now. Number one, way slower time decay. That option decay that we call negative theta is very slow in longer expiries, costing you much less per day than say a 60-day call would. Number two, more breathing room. Let's face it, we can't control much in markets, so give yourself the gift of time to let your idea play out. With time, you can zoom out, see those longer trends without that pressure of having to be right away. That's a very underrated feature of LEAPS that can help to preserve that emotional capital. Number three, stock-like upside potential for a smaller investment. You can control 100 shares of the stock with one contract for only about 35 to 40% of what you would have to invest in the stock. The capital you put aside can then be put in a high interest savings account or in other investments or used for something fun. Number four, a little built-in hedge benefit. These calls can actually gain some time value on a pullback and rise in volatility. We call that vega, and it can help a little in cushioning your position if things go wrong. And lastly, number five, limited risk versus the stock. You can't lose more than what you paid, and that's the beauty of LEAPS done right with my method. You get most of the upside with much less of the downside, and that can be a winning approach over time. So these are some of the thoughts that go into my hedged LEAPS portfolio service, which is up about 18% versus the S&P, up 3% at the time of filming. Smart exposure, lower cost, more control, and cash in your pocket. Check out the full video below for details on how a pro has done this for almost 30 years, and we'll see you soon.